A new house can mean more space, good neighborhoods, great schools. This month we're going to cover 5 tips to make a successful relocation. This is Greg Paff, Klein May Realty, with our Realty Minute, which takes about 90 seconds. One of the first things we want to look at is the family needs. How many bedrooms do we need? What is the square footage? And hopefully a large backyard, because we'll probably have a growing family. That's why we've accepted this relocation, to better our family. The other thing we want to look at is a realtor who is going to do some of that research for us and help us disseminate that information of schools. So the school district is very important. We want to see what the school ranking is in the state and locally, and also the amount of students that graduate and transfer into college. We want to see that successful college rate. The other thing we want to look at is to review that school information. Do not just take what the realtor gives you. We want to do some research on our own. Check with the local Chamber of Commerce and check with greatschools.org. These are 2 good spots to be able to get some more information. Then your realtor will help you figure out all that information so you can make the best choice for school district for your family. The other part that all comes into this is also parks and play areas. Why? Because you're going to have organized sports. You know your kids are going to get into that, and then you also need some downtime for them to be able to play with their friends. And the final thing, which is really the most important, is to make a list of questions for your realtor. This is so important because you are really interviewing the realtor to do the best job for you. Once you're able to do that and answer those questions, then you can start a successful look for houses in that new area. This is Greg Paff. We'll see you again next month. Have a great day.